This simulation solution is quite unique because we can use same simulator software in each phases. For example, if we start from concepting, we have the simulation solution for that. We can use the same simulator solution for product development, and we can use the same solution for the training. And that's really cost effective, and we do not need to do the same work many times again. And it's really versatile environment because we can connect third-party solutions to our simulator environment quite easily, and it's expandable. Really good environment for AI development. Simulation is basically used in every phase of product development cycle. For example, if we are thinking about ideation, you can easily test your ideas in the simulator environment without building anything before you are sure that the idea is brilliant and you need to build something on top of that. Also, other topic is that end user training, end of the life cycle of the product development cycle, is that you can safely train your operators without any risk of damages, and it's much cost-effective way also because you do not have to use the machines that are operating in the real environment. Our biggest OEM customers are using it for training and for R&D purposes, and in the R&D, the main use case is the test integration. This kind of simulator can try by themselves and run test automation every night, and it's quite bulletproof solution to test that your machine is safe, it's working correctly, and you can run the software safely in the target machine if it works in this kind of environment. Training is another option. It's really crucial to our customers that they can train with simulated environments, and those are used widely around the world at the moment. This is our solution for the AI development, which we made together with GIM Robotics. This opens opportunities to use the ROS-CAX environment, and we can utilize all kinds of real-time positioning systems or other that kind of systems that are needed for autonomous driving, for example. This is something totally new and really good system.